TubeBuddy. It's your boy Dan Tick, and in this video guys I will be showing you simple strategy I used to make over $1,000 trading Forex. Okay, without wasting your time, let's just jump into it and let me show you how I do it, and you can copy the same thing and apply it to your strategy. All right.
Okay, as you can see, this is BTC charts. First of all, I will mark out my support zone and resistance zone. That is where I will know what the market is telling me. You will take your time to mark out the zones. Everybody have their own way of doing this, okay? But just try as much as you can to mark the zones out. With this strategy, you will be able to make $1,000, $2,000, $3,000. Don't rush the markets. Know the trend. As you can see, it's looking good. Even from what we have done right now, you can see where the market is going to. Okay, it's really telling us what the market is about to do. I will draw my trend line, simple trend line. If you want to do this, use 15 minutes time frame. But you should always go to the day time frame to know if the market is bullish or bearish. If the market breaks the trend line and I see a good opportunity, I'll take a sell order. So simple like that. Patience is the key. Relax and chill and make a nice trade. That's it guys. If you want to watch more videos like this, subscribe to the channel and leave a positive comment.